Start by measuring around 2 cups of pure almond butter. The ingredients should be just 100% almonds. Next, add 1.5 cup almond flour or ground almonds. It is high in protein, gluten-free, and low sugar. Now add your favorite protein powder. I am using unflavored, plant-based option. For sweetener, I am using erythritol. It is sugar-free and tastes like sugar. This is the powdered version. Now, combine everything. I find it easier to mix the ingredients by hands. Transfer into a brownie tray with parchment paper and press down until you spread the mixture evenly. This step is optional. You can cover the whole tray or just drizzle dark chocolate. I am using sugar-free chocolate. If using, melt it on low heat. Now freeze for 1 hour. If you have leftovers from the melted chocolate, you can pour it on parchment paper and into the fridge for later use.